There is no questioning that 2021 was the greatest year to date for crypto adoption. Whether it was major institutions hopping on the bandwagon and offering crypto services, massive brand names diving into NFTs and the metaverse, or even El Salvador stepping on the global stage and making Bitcoin legal tender alongside the US dollar. But let's be real, not all is perfect in the world of crypto, such as many DeFi exploits occurring throughout the year, or the most notable, 2021 was no doubt the year of astronomically high gas fees, making most of DeFi essentially impossible to use for the majority of crypto traders. But luckily, it is 2022, and although the markets are in the dumps right now, that doesn't mean revolutionary products aren't being built. In fact, it's the exact opposite. More specifically, products to eliminate the inconveniences that some blockchains provide, like long transaction times, high gas fees, or the worst being failed transactions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you as always for tuning into the Crypto Fiend YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you an exclusive sneak peek of the Orion Bridge by none other than Orion Protocol. As most of you already know, I'm a huge fan of this company and have been talking about them for quite a bit in 2021 alone. And because of my public enthusiasm towards Orion Protocol, they recently offered me the opportunity to become an official ambassador. And of course, it was a pleasure to accept. So what does that mean moving forward? For the foreseeable future, I will be sharing updates, news, and tutorials regarding Orion Protocol every so often here on the channel. But do know that although I am an ambassador, I will always hold a non-biased opinion on everything discussed and shared, just like I do with any other companies I choose to endorse. So, for those not familiar with what Orion Protocol is, here is a brief rundown. They have made the first ever aggregated exchange, giving all users one single point of access to the crypto market. More specifically, users can access CEXs, DEXs, and swap pools directly from your wallet of choice, and of course with no KYC. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Launched in the summer of last year, the Orion Terminal is where the magic happens, and I can confidently say in the next 24 hours it will be the best platform to trade, swap, and stake in the entire market. A very bold statement, I know, but the Orion Bridge, which is launching January 31st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, has made that statement a reality, and here is why. For the first time ever, Orion Bridge enables users to trade popular assets across different blockchains without limits, delays, refused orders, blocked funds, or exploits, and all for pennies on the dollar. There will be no more worries about having to pay ludicrous gas fees to make a trade or even stake or unstake your assets. This feature truly brings the Orion Terminal full circle and makes DeFi usable once again for everyone. So enough of me talking the talk, let's check out the Orion Bridge for ourselves and see if it walks the walk. God, that was cheesy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time. We are going to be diving in and checking out the new Orion Bridge. We are currently on the Orion Terminal, but keep in mind what we're going to be looking at is not going to be the official version launched tomorrow. It's going to look pretty identical, but there are going to be some other assets and stuff like that that will be available tomorrow that aren't available right now when you're viewing this video. So as you guys can see right here on this left tab, we have all the products that Orion offers, and of course we have our Orion Bridge right here. So this is what we're going to be focusing on for this video. I already have my wallet connected right here. As you guys know, you have a large variety of wallets to choose from. If you want to use your Ledger, your Treasure, or of course MetaMask, whatever you want to use if it's available here. So this is the current layout of the Orion Bridge. As you can see, we have no history, so it's not showing anything going on. But this is where, of course, you would see all of your different trades and transfers. On the overview tab up here, you can see your total balance of your wallet. You can get some brief information about Orion Bridge, and then right here as well, you can see your balance, as well as where you can deposit, withdraw, trade, and do swaps from right here. And then the third tab is where you begin to make the magic happen. Right here we have an atomic swap button. If we hit that, we get our nice aesthetically pleasing tab that allows us to make our transfers. Again, keep in mind, in this version, we do not have all of the assets that will be available on launch, but tomorrow on January 31st, 2022, we will have ORN, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, Phantom, and Link. They will be adding new assets on the regular, weekly, and we can also expect more chains to be added in the future. Right now, we only have Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, but those are definitely, of course, going to be the most important when it comes to launch day. Now, before we do our atomic swap, I want to briefly show you guys this diagram showing you the differences between some of Orion's I wouldn't say competitors, but other options out there, and you can easily see that Orion has a huge advantage with what they offer. Of course, we have their integration with their Orion bridge, making cross-chain possible with near zero fees. There are no limits, no capacity. The only limit is with the liquidity by the broker network. The deposit time will be instant. Tokens become available for trading after the user transaction is mined. And of course, withdrawal time is also instant. Under the fee section, I want to explain this. So there are no fees for using Orion Bridge on Orion's side. But when it comes to the source chain, there will be a fee. And when it comes to the destination chain, there will also be a fee. These fees are only for depositing and withdrawing, but not for trading. That's a big difference. You can kind of think of it with, like, for example, Uniswap. If you're consistently doing transactions, you're paying fees on every single transaction. But when you're depositing funds onto your account and then using them to trade, it's a one and done sort of thing. And then again with withdrawing as well. So let's go ahead and create our own atomic swap on Orion Bridge. So for this video, we're going to be swapping ORN from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Again, we will have more options in the future, but this is what we're working with. And then you can see balance. For this, we're going to do 100 ORN. And then we are going to allow Orion Protocol to use our ORN. So as you guys can see, I need to give Orion Protocol permission to access my ORN. This again is a one-time ordeal when you are depositing and withdrawing through Orion Bridge. All right, so now that I approved 100 ORN for my account, I can go back to create atomic swap, reselect ORN, Ethereum, Binance, type in 100, and then I can swap. I don't have to approve anymore. So as we can see, again, this is going to be the gas fee to transfer, the Ethereum gas fee to transfer onto the account. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm this. Our order went through. We have the date, the asset, the source network, the destination, the amount, the status saying ready to redeem, and then this expires in 4 days if we do not redeem. So if we go here, it's asking me to swap to the Binance Smart Chain so I can redeem my 100 ORN that I just had swapped. So we can go up here, swap to Binance Smart Chain, and then go to the MetaMask wallet, and then also swap to Binance Smart Chain. Now I can hit redeem, and if I go to overview, as you can see, I have 100 ORN in my account on the Binance Smart Chain.
So if it isn't clear enough, I'm super stoked for the Orion Bridge going live tomorrow, and you should be too, as this is seriously such a game changer for the entire crypto space. And with time, everyone with common sense and the know-how will be utilizing the Orion Bridge along with their other product offerings, giving Orion Protocol a huge advantage and positioning the terminal to become the most popular DeFi platform by volume in the world. Let me know your thoughts on Orion Protocol and the Orion Bridge in the comment section below. And if you found this video informative, be sure to give it a big thumbs up as it helps this video and the channel grow. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.